guys. Today the task which you have been given, the task name is importance of friends, right? Nowadays everybody must be having your own friends, right? Do you have your friends? Yes. Do you have friends? Do you have friends? Do you have friends? So everybody must be having their own friends. So we also think yes, we should make our friends, right? So first of all, today's task which you have been given, the task is all about importance of friends. So first of all, let me know who wants to come on the stage and speak something about friends. Everybody is busy in their day-to-day life, right? Either they are doing the job or they are doing the business, right? After coming from the job, after coming from the business, so they all are feeling alone, loneliness, right? If you have someone in your life, you can share your thoughts, you can share your feelings, you can share your emotions. Yes, you'll be right, absolutely right. And if you have your good friends in your life, that person is just going to motivate you. That person is just going to encourage you if you have good friends. So that person is going to motivate you for betterment of your life. Yes, you will be right, absolutely right. And we ought to make friends, but good friends, not fake friends. So many people are there, they are making friends for the time pass. They are passing their time. Yes, you're right, absolutely right. So many people out there, they are wasting their time in unproductive activities. Are you getting? Are you getting? So many friends are there, they are making their friends for passing their time. They are talking, they are walking, they are strolling, they are visiting, either they are going to somewhere. They are spending their time, but they are wasting or they are deteriorating their career. They are not focused on their productivity because they have made some fake friends. So many people are there in your life. They are going to motivate you, encourage you for the betterment of your life. So many people are there, they are already rich, affluent, opulent. They don't think about their life and they will not think about your life as well. But if you are ruining your life, you are thinking, oh my God, he's talking to me, he's spending time with me, he's going either and either, he's enjoying, relishing his life. Think about your father, think about your mother, think about your parents, think about your education. What will you be doing exactly after 5 years? After 10 years, what will you be doing exactly? You, with whom you are spending your time, that person must be your friend, that person must be rich, that person must be affluent, that person would be potent. Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. He must be talking to you. He must be enjoying, he must be relishing, he must be going either and either, he must be talking to you, he must be wasting his time. But if you are doing this same, so the more you do this, the worse you do. You heard me right, absolutely right, guys, absolutely right. So don't never ever make such kinds of friends. You are thinking he's also wasting his time, I should also, he's talking to me, I should also talk to him. You are मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंखों से उड़ान नहीं होती है, हौसलों में जान होती है, हौसलों में जान होती है, right? So everybody, we must make friends, but good friends. If you have good friends, that person would always motivate you, that person would always encourage you, and just having you go one step ahead in your life. Yes, you heard me right, absolutely right. We all must make friends, but that person who is going to be your supporter, we want that support. We all should have the support of people, and that person can be your friends. But don't make such friends who is just passing their time, who is just passing their time. Don't do such activity which is making you become unproductive. Don't do such work. The more you do this, the worse you do to yourself. Yes, Komal. Yes, Komal. You heard me right. Absolutely right. Yes, Sanu. I'm saying to you. Yes, you heard me right. Absolutely right. We all should make friends, but good friends. So let me know who wants to come here on the stage and want to speak something on importance of friends, because today's session is all about the importance of friends. So let's give an energetic warm welcome to the man who wants to come. First of all, let me know who wants to come here on the stage. Oi, everybody, who wants to come? Hey, do you want to come? No, you? Are you afraid of coming? Are you afraid of coming? Are you afraid of coming? Oh, really? How can you be so afraid of coming on the stage? You are studying in New Generation Institute. That's the reason. Okay, let us understand. Deola Tyro, they have joined recently. That's why. That's the reason. Yeah. So, who wants to come? Who wants to come? Hey man, why are you on phone calls? Okay, keep that. So you come on the stage. आ जाओ खड़े हो जाओ जल्दी सब एक बार जोर से नहीं कम क्लैप यार क्लैप तो करो क्लैप क्लैप करो क्लैप क्लैप करो सब ये क्लैप जो बोल नहीं सकता वो तालियां बजाएगा जो बोल नहीं सकता वो तालियां बजाएगा और वो जोर से बजाएगा ठीक है जोर से बजाओ और जो बोल सकता है वो और जोर से बजाएगा ठीक है सभी को बजानी है ताली तालियां क्लैप क्लैप आंटी जी आपको भी तालियां बजानी है बजाओ क्लैप ठीक है
So splendid good evening to one and all. This is me Nigam in front of you all. How are you all guys?
You all are fine.
How are you all?
Fine.
But I am not getting your voice. Speak together, speak loudly, say proudly. How are you all? You must be fine, you must be joyful. And today, but I am not fine, I am not feeling that much good. First of all, I would like to say thanks to my both of sir, Mr. Suraj sir and Mr. Sanjeev sir for having this golden opportunities. As well as I would like to thank all the viewers, all the spectators, all the companions, all the audience, all the viewers who all are present over here. Today I am having fantastic, wonderful, beautiful topic. And today I am going to talk about one person. You know guys, that is real person. Today I am going to talk about only one person. That person is important, crucial, significant in our life. Today I am going to talk about only one person. That person is going to transform your life. There is only one person guys. Just because of that person, you all can transform your life. Just because of one person, you all can shine like a sun. There is only one person guys. Just because of that person, you can become, if you are zero, you can become hero. There is only one person guys. If you are nalayak, you can become layak. I am talking about only one person. I am not talking about GF. I am not talking about BF. I am talking about your friend. I am talking about my friend. I am talking about the friend of everyone. I am talking about your friend guys, but your friend should be good. Your friend should not be in bad condition. Your friend should not be in bad company. Your friend should be good. Your friend should be educated. Your friend should be intelligent. Your friend should be not illiterate. Your friend should be literate. Ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about, yes, you heard me right, absolutely right. I am going to talk about the friend. What is friend first of all? Friend is a person. If you are in a bad situation, if you are in a bad condition, then who will support you? Who will help you? Who will assist you? Who will encourage you? Who will come close to you? Who will ask that, how are you? What happened? What are you doing? No one or nobody will come, guys. If you are having your best friend, if you are having your true friend, if you are having your real friend will come close to you. Your real friend will ask something. Hey dear man, why are you getting worried? Why are you getting worried? What happened? Like this, your friend. If you are not having a friend, then you will feel like this. Like you will take tension. You will go in the depression. You will take a lots of tension. You will feel your mood will be off. If you are not having friend, you will feel alone, right? But I think we should make friends, because if we are making friends, then we feel amazing, we feel outstanding, amazing, fantastic, fantabulous. If you are not having friend, then with whom will you talk? Only with your parents, only with your brother. And in this generation, brothers are also not good, I think. If you are talking to your brother will talk to you in different tone. Your brother will say, hey, just get out from here, I don't want to talk, I don't have time. Excuse me, I don't have time. I am able to observe. Whenever I talk to my brother, hey brother, could you give me one suggestion? My brother always says to me, no, I don't have time, I cannot talk to you. Excuse me, I don't have time. my brother is engrossed in playing, game, then how will he talk to me? Then I thought, yes, playing Ludo, PUBG, Free Fire. He is playing Free Fire in mobile phone. And my brother is saying, I don't want to talk to you, a illiterate man, a uneducated man. I don't want to talk to you. Then I thought, I should make friends. Then I thought, friend can be anyone, your parents. Friend can be your parents. Friend can be your sister. Friend can be your family member. Friend can be your girlfriend also. Teacher also. Friend can be your God also. Friend can be your teacher also. Friend can be your neighbor also. Friend can be anyone. I think friend can be anyone. But it depends on you. It's up to you that which type of friend are you making. I think we should make good friends. We should not make dipsomaniac friends. Who is drinking like this and like this? Who is drinking? We should not make that kind of friends. We should not make dipsomaniac friends. We should make good friends. So guys, I would like to suggest always select, always choose a good friend for your partners. You should choose good partner. You can make girlfriend also. This is nothing, okay? Making girlfriend is not wrong. This is good, I think. You can make girlfriend also. You can make boyfriend also. You can friendship with your GF, grandfather. You can make friendship with your grandfather also. Your girlfriend also. And I think we should make girlfriend. We all should have one girlfriend. Because when we are not having girlfriend, then we cannot become something in our life. One partner should be there. One girl should be there for talking, for giving attention, for giving love, for giving attention. There should be one girl. I think there should. Yes, she will appreciate you, she will admire you, she will support you, she will, admire you, she will give you knowledge. I think we should make one girlfriend also. We should not stay alone, I think. Because in this generation, this is modern generation. This is not old generation. So I would like to say that from bottom of my heart and from the core of my heart, everyone must make friend. Friendship is important, that's why. Thank you so much.
Good evening to one and all. My name is Prince. I am here to. I would like to thank Surya sir, Mr. Sanjeev sir for giving this golden opportunity. And today's topic about friendship. That is a special bond of friends. Friends play very important role in our daily life. They are belong to us only. They are brother of another mother. Friend always keep support us and make us feel special in their life. Friend cannot leave you alone in difficult situation. Friend sometimes make you in trouble. Like if your friend is immature. So the true friend always with you. And I would like to tell one of my friend Hari. Always get out of to meet in tough situations. He is the only one who introduced myself in college and make more friends. And literally I am feeling desperate and alone in that environment, because lots of people I don't know about them and they are not know me. So he is the only one who support me in my difficult situation. He is the person who will get me out in difficult situation and even help in my exams also. So I think Hari is the one person, and he is the only person who introduced myself in spiritual world. Like I can tell you, he's the only one who introduced myself to spirituality, and the experience blew my mind. Incredible experiences in Vrindavan. I can't tell you in words. Make friends like that, like Krishna and Sudama, and make your friend bond with a great bond who will treat same with you and not leave you in poverty or in a difficult situation. Who behave same as in childhood. So that's my speech.